Audi S5 here, and then I already removed the mirror for the driver's side. Let's go to the other side. I will show you how to remove the mirror. Come with me. So for remove the mirror, first you need to remove the door card. First, we're gonna remove this aluminum piece. It's going to be same for the A5. I think A4 having the same door trim, and then also for the RS5, all gonna be same. First, put some plastic things here to not damage this Alcantara, and then with the prior tools, try to make the gap and do like this. And then rest of it with the hand slowly, and then at the end has the hook inside, so you have to remove it like that to not break this part. Then we'll have the 2 bolts here, torque 25. One. Second one. Okay. And it has another one here under the armrest or the window switch, and then does not have any cover or cap. If you like this bend yourself, you will see it easily. Okay. Now the trim is free, so all around the stick with the pin. So the things you have to do, put this one here. The reason I say put this one, so when you use the pry tools, this area is not gonna make the dent or damage on the paint. Okay, and then do like this. As soon you hear the noise, okay. And then here has the one really strong hook. This one goes to here, and then remove the handle wire, and then what other things? Speaker. And you know the Volkswagen car, like Porsche, like the Audi, you have to push this tab and then bring the disc jack down. It's gonna come out by itself. This one. I need my screwdriver. Look at that. It's really a small one. Okay. Now, let's explain something. This is the harness for the mirror. Another connector here. So it's 2. And then after you make it here free, you need to fishing this area until you get the mirror, because it has the 2, if I'm not wrong, 2 or 1, but definitely it's gonna be 2. 2, how can I say, Christmas tree shape, the pin is stuck to the panel, so when the window goes up and down, it's not going to be touch the mirror. And then that cable should come over the bar for the window regulator. So, and then first things you need to do, put the window up. And then if you have another person to help you to hold the mirror, it's going to be best. So before do anything, better just make it this cable free like this, and then tap here and pull this one in. So to get the access to first remove the doors pin before open any bolt of the mirror, first you need to remove the speaker, so you can put your hand there and then help that cable to going out. Bolt gonna be exactly same as door trim, 4 bolts, size 25. Where is the 25 here? Yeah, especially if you are alone at the shop, best way is the first get rid of the cable. This one finish. So grab the speaker, and then now I cannot show you, but you have to put your hand inside to feeling the cable. Okay, one is right here. Okay. Yeah, actually it's one. And then from this way, yes. Okay, I got it. So now we are going to remove the bolt. Three rubber cap. Those are torque size 30. As you can see, I believe. Hard to see, but that one. And then, since you remove the speaker, you can put your hand in to grab the bolt. Slow. Go. Let me help this one. Okay. And then because there is too tight, if this cover came out, you can see here has the one rail, and then here also has the rail too. You match it together and then goes in. So too many things to do to get our mirror off, but if you know how to do it, it's going to be easy. Just watch the video until the end. You can see so many important parts, so to not miss that one. See you guys very soon. Subscribe the channel. I'm gonna come back very soon. Take care.